Why?
Lordships would recall, my lord, it is that case, my lord, where, my lord, the grandmother, my lord, was a senior citizen, and, my lord, the granddaughter, my lord, who's a student of journalism, my lord, were, my lord, apprehended by, my lord, the NCB, my lord.
Grandmother, granddaughter collaboration.
As per them. Denied by us, my lord. So, my lord, it is the case, my lord, where.
What is the mother of Jilam Khanna?
Why is the mother of
Jilam
the
Khanna's
Yes,
mother?
is Bias Khanna, my lord.
Bias Khanna.
He is involved.
He is involved.
Yes, she is involved.
He is involved.
She is involved. Undoubtedly, she is involved, my lord.
He sent or her name courier.
No, my lord. Both the consignments, my lord, had my name, had the name of the petition.
How much quantity?
My lord, 1.676 MDM.
You are not pressing it on behalf of Jilam because Jilam is petitioner number 2.
Yes, pressing on behalf of Jilam.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, I see. Acha, acha.
He is not a petitioner. Okay. Yeah.
So, my lord, there are, my lord, the cases of two consignments, my lord. My lord, the first consignment, my lord, of which, my lord, the NCP came to know, my lord, was, my lord, of March 2024, my lord, which, my lord, came to my house, my lord, but I did not receive it, saying that I do not know the
Deepadas or Jilam Khanna?
Deepadas.
Deepadas.
In the name of Deepadas.
In the name of Deepadas, the packet came.
Yes.
Yes, then?
I did not receive it.
Why? Why you did not receive?
Because the consigner was someone from Netherlands who I did not know of.
You informed the police.
No, I did not know what the parcel contained.
Okay.
They came with the parcel, my lord. I say, my lord, the name of the consigner. I saw the name of the consigner. It was someone from Netherlands, my lord, who I did not know of, my lord. I did not receive it.
Okay, very good. Okay.
So that's gone, my lord. Second, my lord, is a case of April 23rd of April 2024, my lord.
Jilam Khanna is involved.
That, my lord, they'll have to explain because her name, my lord, is not even as that of consignee. No.
Not that. Okay.
That, my lord, perhaps they will say that, my lord, and I really don't know, my lord, perhaps they've made out the case that she is the one who would have otherwise helped.
Okay.
Had she received it, then she would have, my lord, couriered it to Delhi to her mother.
So she did not receive it.
Did not receive it.
So what was the fate of that consignment?
Yes, my lord. The fate of that consignment was where it remained, my lord, with the foreign post office, my lord. And, my lord, the case was first taken up by the customs in March. My lord, there was no photography, no video photography, my lord. Then, my lord, ultimately.
You did not receive, so it is not received. It was not recorded from your position.
Yes. No. My lord, even at the FPO, my lord, at the foreign post office, my lord, the mandatory requirement is that it should have been videographed. Once, my lord, it is confiscated by a central agency, my lord, it is required to be videographed. That was not done.
There are sufficient materials that you refuse to accept.
That is their case. Admitted case. Admitted case. Admitted case.
You have to understand to give relief to any of you. Okay.
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, that's the first one, Lord. But before that case was taken up, my lord, it's my lord, the item number 16, Lord, in which case, my lord, I was arrested. That is a case where, my lord, the consignment was in my name, in the name of Deepadas.
We are hearing 16, item number 16.
16 and 17, my lord, are interlinked.
So you are moving only in respect of 17, right?
16, 17, both, my lord. Since your lordship asked, my lord, just to, my lord, answer your lordship's query, my lord, I started with 17 because your lordship said which was the first consignment. So I spoke of the, my lord, item number 7. Yes, my lord.
Is he received?
No. 16, my lord, the consignment when it was with the foreign post office, my lord, it was, my lord, confiscated by, my lord, the NCB. It was opened and, my lord, contraband were found, my lord. They came to my house.
In that concert, it was also refused to accept by.
No. They did not even. It did not even come to me.
Oh.
Did not even come to me. Had it come to me, I would have refused it.
Yes.
Not knowing the consigner.
First refusal is in respect of item number 17.
First 17.
So there are materials that type of consignment was refused to accept by your client.
Admitted case, my lord.
Oh, that was prior consignment.
Prior.
Very good.
But I did not know of it. So, my lord, on 23rd, my lord, when, my lord, the second consignment comes, my lord, at the FPO, my lord, they open it and they find, my lord, contraband, my lord. They come to my place, my lord, there's a search and seizure operation, my lord, nothing is found. Okay, nothing is found.
Now, please give me an answer right now. So, second concern. No, please satisfy my concerns. The second consignment was opened in the post office.
Customs intercepted both the consignment.
Okay.
Case was started first customs, then NCB took over.
Okay.
His family tree, granddaughter, daughter, and
Mother.
grandmother
Yes.
in connivance with a Nigerian. His name is
Maximus Iku.
Tokuchu Maximum Inuoka. The
Once again.
Tokuchu Maximus Inuoka.
Equal.
Yeah.
Nigerian.
This Nigerian used to send all these consignment in the name of daughter of petitioner number 1, Nigerian and daughter of petitioner Bias. Bias and Nigerian was arrested at Delhi. They're still in custody. This consignment sent to Deepadas and petitioner number 2. Customs intercepted. Then NCB took over. The nexus, my lord, principally this case is based on section 29. CDR, bank transaction. And videography in item 16, there is videography.
No, my question is that one consignment was refused to accept by Deepadas. Is it correct?
My lord, in my case, it's not the case.
So whose case it was? Your case.
Maybe in
Yes.
1916,
So,
16.
one consignment was sent to in the name of
Deepadas.
Deepadas. He refused to accept,
Yes.
and it went back to post office. Is it correct?
Yes.
Then you have opened this.
Yes.
Videography.
Open and videography.
Well, at that time, you called the consignee in whose presence it has been whether it in the presence of Deepadas it has been opened. How
No.
can you open? She must be present at the time of opening of consignment. So it was.
Or he refused to accept, then my lord is open.
So it goes.
Consignment in the name of Deepadas. Or prior to my lord receiving the there is my lord CDR call with the
You
Deepadas,
intercepted,
Bias
the
Khan and
customs
Gilam.
intercepted the parcel. This refusal case may not be correct.
He is saying he is also admitting.
Yes.
Yes.
No, my lord. That's an
How long
admitted
you in
case.
custody?
My lord, 8 months, 13 days. My lord, so far as my lord, my lord, the name of the
Next date is fixed for evidence in February 20th.
In both the cases.
How many witnesses?
11.
Diona.
11 witnesses.
It has
11
been
witnesses.
16, 11.
So show us that you refused or any material that you refused.
But it is their case, my lord. It's there in the, if your lordship takes up, my lord, the charge sheet, my lord, it's there.
But there are certain CDR.
Ample.
Yes, my lord. Now let's come to that, my lord. Let's come to that.
And Deepadas.
Let's come to that, my lord. Nigerian and Deepadas.
No, what come to that? You are going to analyze evidence here.
No, my lord. Their statement, my lord. The two petitioners were not in direct contact with the co-accused Tocheku Maximus Ikuwawa.
Where, which page?
Lord, page 8, which they had filed on the last occasion.
But Bias is involved.
Yes.
Bias's statement, conversation with your
Yes.
mother
No.
may be incriminating, right? In the factual circumstances.
My lord, kindly
Because
appreciate
yes.
that. Had it been a CDR
Sir, we are not inclined at this
But
time.
lordship will kindly appreciate my lord, on
We
the
have heard you
last.
for 15 minutes, Mr. Huda.
No, but I have, my lord, not placed my case in entirety, my lord, because lordship, my lord, wanted to ask them a question, lord. That's his cinema.
Real application, how long will you take?
2 more minutes, my lord, because on the last occasion, my lord, the only submission that
2
was
minutes,
made
2
by
minutes. Come. 2
on
minutes.
the last occasion, the only submission that was made by them, my lord, is that there are, my lord, transactions galore. And for that, your lordship had given them time, my lord, because on that date, they could not show the transactions. So lordship had, my lord, given them time so that they can produce, my lord, the transactions.
Okay.
That is why the time was given. So far as CDR is concerned, my lord, it was sent for FSL on 26th of, my lord, April 2024. It has been more than 8 months now, my lord. My lord, they've not come up with the report yet. 8 months.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
Yes.
Without official report.
My lord, so CDR.
Huh?
The call records, my lord. For the call records, because that's their own, that can be the only evidence against me. If there is conversation, and the conversation, my lord, speaks of transaction. So it was sent, my lord.
No.
It has been more than 8 months, my lord. The report has not yet come, my lord.
So
That's the
that
only.
conversation portion. Hey, what has been-
My lord, page 5, my lord, of the report, my lord, file.
Can you see the CDR details?
Yes.
Can you see the CDR?
That's done.
The last 9 The second last name is the Nigerian.
Padas, Ram Khanna.
Transaction with Bias Khanna. They have stated that Bias's সঙ্গে ওদের কোনো যোগাযোগ নেই after that money transaction.
Not with me. Not with me. Not a single call with me and Nigerian. Nigerian, my lord, of course, they will use the word Nigerian because that shocks the conscience. The moment, my lord, this word Nigerian comes, my lord, everyone takes a backseat, my lord. So it's been constantly used, but I have to have, it is their case, which I have just read, my lord.
Bias is your daughter.
Bias is my daughter. That's my only crime, that my daughter is involved. Yes. Or my crime is
What
that,
crime is will be unearthed.
my lord, Lordship will,
So we are not inclined.
No.
Lordship will kindly, my lord, see that,
It
because
will.
that is why they took time, my lord, to show that there's transaction. There's nothing, my lord. Lord, Lordship will kindly call for the bank statement, my lord. On the last week,
Advocate
that is
for
why.
the petitioner adjourned, Mr. Huda, adjourned. Next bench, try your luck, adjourned for 1 year.
Lordship, it is.
You are not allowing us to
I'm
dictate.
sorry, my lord. It's
Learned advocate for the petitioners strenuously argued that these petitioners have no role to play in the transaction in contraband items. Stop. It is one Bias Khanna Naki Khan,
yes, no.
Khanna, and a Nigerian person who are primarily involved. Stop. Paragraph, we have seen the report filed by Narcotics Control Bureau along with the materials, along with Xerox copies of relevant documents, including call detailed records. Stop. Bias is the daughter of the petitioner number 1 and the mother of the petitioner number 2. Stop. Prima facie, there appears to be sufficient incriminating evidence against the petitioners. Stop. It seems that consignments of contraband items used to be sent from the Netherlands in the name of these petitioners, who would then divert the same to Bias and the Nigerian person. Stop. Paragraph. We are told that there are only 7 charge sheet named witnesses. Stop. Charge has been framed. Stop. Next date.
20th February 2024.
25.
20th 20.
February 20, 2025 is the next date fixed before the learned trial court. Stop. Paragraph. In view of the aforesaid, we are not inclined to allow the petitioners to essay for apostrophe for bail, at this stage. Paragraph dismissed. Next paragraph. However, considering that the petitioners have been in custody for quite some time, we request the learned trial court to expedite the trial and conclude the same on an early date.
16 and 17, same order may be passed.
Same order.
My lord, 17, there are 11 witnesses. 11 witnesses.
11, 17 টা 11 করো, 7 না করে।
Case rated to
Well,
reporter report may be kept with the record.
Report to file the last day.
Report আগে দিয়ে ফাইল হয়েছে
Report may be kept with the record.
Sheet of
রিপোর্ট আগের দিন হয়ে গেছে আজকে
Minutes.
সবাই যদি একই রকম ভাবে সুবিধা, কিন্তু একজন এসে এরকম বলে যাচ্ছে না, আমরা তো হাস্যকর।
Sorry.
just one thing, my lord. Since my lord, Lordship has already passed Lordship's order, my lord. They've said, my lord, international rocket, everything, my lord. This is a case, my lord, where they could not
Mr.
even
Huda, we
afford
have
an
passed
advocate.
the
It
order.
came through an NGO, my lord. It was a pro bono, my lord. So we thought, my lord, and we've made our investigation. In fact, my lord, we have account details of even, my lord, which I wanted to produce today. Even they did not have it. We've made our investigation, my lord, from the NGOs and my lord. And my lord, this is
Try your luck on better grounds if there's delay. If there's delay, try your luck. Call the next matter.
My lord, item 18 now is